Listen and repeat.
Basic sentences in English. Good morning. Good morning. Good evening. Good evening. Good night. Good night. Thank you. Thank you. No need to thank. No need to thank. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Okay. Okay. Never mind. Never mind. Goodbye. Goodbye. Welcome. Welcome. See you later. See you later. Of course. Of course. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Have a seat, please. Have a seat, please. Hello. Hello. How are you? How are you? I am fine, what about you? I am fine, what about you? I'm glad to see you. I'm glad to see you. How are you doing? How are you doing? See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. That makes me happy. That makes me happy. Looking forward to seeing you again. Looking forward to seeing you again. What do you like to drink? What do you like to drink? Thank you for your visit. Thank you for your visit. Lend me your car. Lend me your car. Sorry, I don't have time. Sorry, I don't have time. I know her very well. I know her very well. It's okay. It's okay. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Looking for my book. Looking for my book. I want you. I want you. Feel the sleep. Feel the sleep. I didn't go. I didn't go. I'm in a big hurry. I'm in a big hurry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I can't stay. I can't stay. More than a week. More than a week. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm comfortable here. I'm comfortable here. I think so. I think so. Are you having dinner with me? Are you having dinner with me? Really? Really? Listen to me. Listen to me. I'm very happy. I'm very happy. You are completely wrong. You are completely wrong. Let me see it, please. Let me see it, please. Thanks, I'll take this. Thanks, I'll take this. As you wish, sir. As you wish, sir. I stopped doing that. I stopped doing that. It's not bad. It's not bad. I'm waiting for you. I'm waiting for you. In any case. In any case. I'm going now. I'm going now. Where is she? Where is she? Where is it? Where is it? When will I get it back? When will I get it back? Do you have an apartment for rent? Do you have an apartment for rent? I'll ask if I can. I'll ask if I can. Did you have a good time? Did you have a good time? Okay, I'll take it. Okay, I'll take it. Can I see her? Can I see her? Yes, I know. Yes, I know. I hope so very soon. I hope so very soon. Definitely 1 minute. Definitely 1 minute. Where did he go? Where did he go? Let's go. Let's go. Yes, I have. Yes, I have. What are you doing? What are you doing? Wow, cool. Wow, cool. I would like to fix my car. I would like to fix my car. I'm in hurry. I'm in hurry. This is what I really want. This is what I really want. I came to study. I came to study. Where are we going? Where are we going? Do you like it? Do you like it? Abroad. Abroad. Of course it can be. Of course it can be. Never anything. Never anything. Are you Mr. Yasin? Are you Mr. Yasin? Well, do your best. Well, do your best. Yes, I'm so. Yes, I'm so. How much do you want? How much do you want? How much is the rent? How much is the rent? I'll call you tomorrow. I'll call you tomorrow. Here's the ticket. Here's the ticket. Can I order you a taxi? Can I order you a taxi? You can't take a vacation tomorrow. You can't take a vacation tomorrow. How can I go to school? How can I go to school? More than a year ago. More than a year ago. How long will I wait? How long will I wait? Do what you see fit. Do what you see fit. I'll take it. I'll take it. Are you coming? Are you coming? I want a room for a month. I want a room for a month.